Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I have another simple dance move for you. It's so simple, even kids can do it. And also this is one of the trending dance move on TikTok at the moment. If you're on TikTok, I believe you might have seen it, okay? So let me show you how to do it. Okay. First, you're going to stand straight, okay? And then the second thing you have to do, you have to move your hip. While you're moving your hip, you also will need to move your shoulder, okay? We're gonna move both the hip and the shoulder. And while you're doing that, you're going to move your leg up and down, okay? Up and down, move your legs, okay? Okay, let's do it. Like this. And then you will put your hand that way, okay? When you have your hip moving, and then you have your shoulder moving, you have your legs going up and down, and then you have your hand that way, you will also have to step back like this. Each time you're going, and then step back, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly how it will come out with the music. Okay guys, now with the music. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. Hold up. In the patrol, that's man, you that's very simple. In the remove, don't come through, but I ain't finished. Okay guys, as you can see, it was a very simple dance move. So I'll see you tomorrow for the next video, or if you want, you can go to the previous video I uploaded yesterday. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, bye. Take care guys.